Hi friends, this question is from test series 5, subject industrial engineering, topic operation research. This question is based on linear programming. So in this question, it is given that a company makes two kinds of leather purse. Purse of kind A is high quality purse while B is a lower quality purse. The respective profit is given as rupees 4 and rupees 3 per purse. So if we assume that X1 is the number of purses of type A and X2 is number of purses of type B. So total profit we can write it as Z is equal to 4x1 plus 3x2. So we have to maximize this function. So maximize. Okay, now we have to find out the constraints which is subjected to. It is given that each purse of type A requires twice as much time as purse type B, and if all purses were at type B, then company could make 1000 per day. So purse A requires twice time, so it is constraint is 2x1 plus x2 should be less than equal to 1000. Means if only type B purses are there, then x1 value is 0. It means x2 is either less than or equal to 1000. This is the first constraint. And the second constraint is given as that the supply of leather is sufficient to 800 purse. So x1 plus x2 is less than equal to 800. We can't make more than 800 pieces because the leather available is only 800 purse. For 800 purse, the purse A required a zip that is only available 400 pieces. So x1 can't be make more than 400. So x1 is less than equal to 400, and the zip which is used in type B is available in 700. So x2 is less than equal to 700. So we have to find out the value of x1 or x2 with the help of these constraints, so that the profit is maximum. Now if we draw graph between, we are going to solve this problem by graphical method, where this is the axis x1 and this is the x2. So if we draw first line, which is 2x1 plus x2 is less than equal to 1000, so we change it in 2x1 plus x2 is equal to 1000. So if you draw this line, then if x1 is equal to 0, then x2 is 1000. X2. So this point is 0, 1000. Whereas if x2 is 0, then x1 is 500. So it is something like 500, 0. Now we are going to join it by a straight line, because the linear programming problem, we are assuming that the relation is in between x1 and x2 is linear variation. Now second line is x1 plus x2 is equal to 800. So if x1 is equal to 0, then x2 value is 800. So its line is 0, 800, and in this axis it's a 800, 0. So now we are going to add this line also by a straight line, and then the next line is x1 is equal to 400. So this is the line starting from here. So this is x1 is equal to 400, and then x2 is equal to 700. So it is here only x2 is equal to 700. Now we are going to put the name of this is our feasible region. So here this is point O, is suppose point P, this is point Q. Corner points only we are going to consider, P, Q, R, S and T. Now we have to find out the coordinates of all these points Q, P, R, S and T. And then we have to put these coordinate value into the maximization function. Z is equal to 4x1 plus 3x2, and we have to find out in which point the value of Z is maximum. So by putting this value we can see that at point R the value of Z is maximum. The coordinates of point R we can find out by the cross section point of this line, second line and first line. So coordinate points are 200, 600. So maximum profit is Z is equal to 4 into 200 plus 3 into 600. So Z is equal to 800 plus 1800. So it is total 2600. So the maximum profit is, which we have to find out, is 2600 rupees. Okay, thank you.